What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing a really hard trick shot. I'm going to be flipping a laundry basket into another laundry basket, and then I'm going to kick a soccer ball into it, which is, the laundry basket part is hard on its own, and the soccer ball part is really hard too. So, like and subscribe to this video. I'm going to be doing it from this laundry basket all the way to over here, and it's going to be really hard. No way!
We need a whole lot less work, so let's see if I can just get this again.
No way! God, you did the shot! Man, that was so crazy! Guys, please like and subscribe because we're trying to get to 60 to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. So tell all your friends about our channel and subscribe and like this video. So see you all in the next video. Bye.